everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is our final day for our Chinese recipe series at sobra pong special ng aking isi-share ngayon na alam kong magagawa ninyo sa inyong mga bahay basta meron lang kayong pork and air fryer. So let's start with our recipe, the Chinese style roasted pork. So first step po natin ay ilalaga lang po natin itong ating pork belly slices for around 15 to 20 minutes. Habang hinihintay po natin yung pork nating maluto, gagawa na tayo ng rub. Mimix lang po natin ng salt, black pepper, 5 spice powder, and ang ating rosemary with minced garlic. Ito na po yung ating rub para sa ating roasted pork. At dahil hindi pa rin tapos yung ating pork, pwede na rin natin gawin yung ating sauce. So gagawa po tayo ng ginger scallion sauce para sa ating roasted pork gamit ang grated ginger, salt, at saka mga hiniwa-hiwa nating spring onion and kumukulong mantika. That's it. And this is my favorite part. Listen to it. So simple pero sobrang sarap po niya, and it will really make a big difference sa lasa ng ating roasted pork, at pwede rin po siyang gamitin sa steamed chicken. And I think ready na rin po yung ating pork, so pwede na natin siya ilipat sa ating air fryer. And then we will air fry it for around 15 to 20 minutes at 380 degrees. Ito na po yung pinaka-paborito kong tunog sa lahat. And if you like this video po, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you so much, and please keep safe everyone.